Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the desk mode and tent mode on Motorola Razr Fold. This mode is achieved by not fully closing your phone, and you can use it for two different purposes. The first one is achieved if your phone screen is off and if you set it like that on a table. You can see now it shows me the clock and my schedule. And that is basically it. Now, if I want it, I could customize it by going to the settings. So let's go to settings. Then in the settings, go to foldable display, and then you'll be able to find desk mode. Then you can enable show music player when playing. So if you start playing music, it'll also show the music player on the screen. You can enable look and wake, so it will automatically light up the screen once it sees you looking at the display. You can set the dashboard. You can either set it to classic mode with just the clock, and you can set the clock to digital or analog, or you could select dashboard and then you could select the clock style, and that is basically it. So I'll just do classic, and now I can set it in the tent mode. So this is the tent mode. As you can see, it shows me the clock. I could also set it like that as a tent. As you can see, it also works just fine. Now, the next usage of this mode would be the camera app. So if it's partially folded, not fully folded, you can go to the camera app. So now you can see the camera is on, and you can set your phone like that, for example, so that you can just set it on a table. Be careful with it though, because it may fall anyway. You could also set it as a tent on a table, like that, for example, to record something horizontally. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.